welcome back to our new session. In this session we are going to discuss about filling part. Okay, how to fill in Excel. Like filling is nothing but it makes very easy to fill all the ranges with the values and text, and in order to avoid manual entries also this filling will be useful. Like filling can be used for copying and for making the sequence filling, and also we can fill the dates as well easily without typing manually, and also for the functions. Okay, but in I wait I will type. Like it can be used for the copying after sequences and dates filling and functions. But for now let's discuss about copying and sequence and dates filling, and about the functions let's discuss in the later chapter. Okay, for now I will explain clearly about copying, sequence and dates, like how to fill the dates and how to copy the same number in the Excel sheet. Okay, now let's go to the Excel sheet. Here, for example, I am going to explain you like the filling, how the filling is done. For example, let's select A1 right now. Okay, and we are giving 1 in a general manner. I am explaining in a general manner. For example, if you want sequence numbers in each and every cell, you need to type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like this. In a normal manner you need to type the numbers manually, but in order to fill it in order to auto fill the numbers, I will show you a process. Like see, you can observe a black dot here, right? A black dot here. Like right now I am giving 1, and you bring your cursor near the black dot and drag it until the number which you would like to, like the same number should be copied until the cell which you wish to. Like you can drag this until here, then all becomes 1, and you can drag it here, or else you can drag it until here, or else you can drag it like this until you can observe the black square dot here. If you move your cursor here, it will automatically, there is option for dragging and dropping everything. Okay, now this sequence is over. Now in order to give the sequence numbers, let's give 1 in the A1 cell and 2 in the A2 cell. Okay, now let's drag it until here. Sorry, I am selecting A1 and A2. After I am dragging it until 20. You could observe, you could see here, like the numbers are arranged in the sequence manner from 1 to 20. You know, for if you want to arrange the numbers in the sequence, you should type 1 in the A1 and 2 in the A2, and you should select A1 and A2, and then you should drag until A1 to A20, or else you can drag like whatever numbers you need. Like for A1, see, you could observe all the 1 to 20 sequence here, and if you drag the same until down, now it will go until 36. The same sequence will be moved to until 36. Okay, and now let's see another type of sequence. Like for example, I have given 2. in the A1 cell and 4 in the A2 cell, and I have selected A1 and A2, and I have started dragging the same until 10. Now what would be the number? Okay, number will be automatically 20, like it will be the it will automatically multiply the number with the row number. So automatically the answer is like 20. You will get the 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14. Likewise you will get until 20. Like same, you can drag it until the number which you would like to. Like this is very easy method for operating all the functions. Like you can, no need to type manually, so that it would be easy. And let's see, in the form of text, like hi 1. Okay, now I am dragging the same till 10. You could see like the number high 1, high 2, high 3, high 4, high 5, high 6, high 7, high 8, high 9, high 10, everything. Like the same you can do for the you can apply the same previous trick in this high one also. If you want to copy all, for example, if you want to copy high, sorry, see, you can do the same from top to bottom and from bottom to top. You can copy the same matter. It is very easy. Like if you guys try the same in your Excel sheet, like by typing the matter and also by typing the values as well. Like it is very easy to copy the matter, or else to create a sequence, or else to create a date range as well. For example, I will show you a date. Now I have given the date example 10/01/1990. Okay, now if I want the sequence of this date, I should drag the same thing, and you could observe, you could see here 10/1/1990, 10/1/1991, 10/1/1992 until 1999. Okay, hope you guys understood this concept. Okay, example, let's see the same in the A column. Okay, 01/01/2020. You could see here until 2039, from 2020 to 2039. Okay, if you drag until 20 years, from 2022 until 20 years, it would be like 2039. Okay, now the date format, this date format depends on like your regional language settings. Okay, for example, if we draw the same like 1/1/2020 to uh, for example, we cannot consider this example. I will show you one more example. For example, if you type like date on before and also month on before, okay, now you will get, see, this is based on the language, like regional language settings of my Excel. So you could see the same date and same month is repeating, but the year is changing here. Okay, but in some language settings also, like it would, the date also will be changed automatically, like from 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, likewise. And for me, for as per my settings, it has just fetched like the same month and same date, but the year was changing. That's it. You got the point, guys? And that's all for this session, guys. Like, I hope you guys have understood this filling sequence easily, and it is very small concept. Like, I guess I have covered all the topics in this filling sequence, and like it is very easy. Like, if you have taken the number sequence here also, you could give the same to the down. Okay, and it is very easy. If you practice it for multiple times, then it would make you understood easily. Okay, and if you want to remove also, like one, you have dragged it until here, no, and like you can click on this button and you can click it top, then automatically it will be deleted. Okay, that's all for this session, guys. I request you to give a like and share this video to your friends who are willing to learn Excel as soon as possible from beginning to expert. And please subscribe this channel for more upcoming sessions. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.